Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on force restarting your Galaxy Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your watch is frozen and turning it off normally is not working, then you may need to force restart it. To do this, you need to hold down on both side buttons of your watch at the same time, as you would to turn it off, but keep holding them down until you see the Samsung logo. Ignore anything that comes up on the screen until you see the Samsung logo. It will then say rebooting below the logo and switch off after a few seconds. It will then turn itself back on again and will no longer be frozen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.